Easy way to make pilau. Use as many as onions as you'd want. You also add oil of your preferred choice. I've used a vegetable oil. I keep stirring, and then I'm going to add garlic and ginger paste. I also continue stirring till it's cooked, and I also keep stirring so that I avoid the ginger and garlic from burning. I love when my onions are dark, so I'm stirring so that they are dark brown. Yeah, as you can see from the video. So I keep stirring so that my ginger and garlic does not burn. And then meanwhile, I'm pre-boiling my mbuzi or beef. You can use whichever option. I have added my meat. After adding my meat, I also add my pilau masala, 1 tablespoon. I've used 250 grams of meat. I keep stirring. Then I'm going to add my rice, which I had already pre-washed. So I'm going to stir my rice, keep stirring so that it does not burn. And then I'm going to add my pre-boiled water. So from the video you see it's boiling because the water was already very hot. I did 3 glasses of rice, so I have added 6 glasses of water, and you can see my pilau is coming along well. And yes, there is my pilau. Nice. I had added salt. So I'm going to stir, keep checking, and that's the final product. So as my pilau was cooking, I decided to make a salad. I used onions, I used tomatoes, and I also had 1 avocado. And I'm going to use black pepper, salt, and lemon. So I diced them big chunks. I mixed the onions, the tomatoes, and avocado. I'm using a spoon to stir. I've also added salt and black pepper, and I'm squeezing in lemon juice, just to add in flavor and to balance the flavors. Yeah, and there is my final pilau and salad. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless. Thank you.